Dear students, in this video we will talk about chapter 2 exercise 2b. So before we start, I want you to open your book exercise 2b. Now let's see question number 7. Question number 1 to 6 is multiple choice question, so I will not go for explanation on that. But now let's see question number 7a. The question is given: simplified and express the result in exponential notation. So this is a 5 by 4 brackets, exponent is 7, and then 5 by 4 bracket, exponent is 9. Here 5 by 4, 5 by 4, they are same, so you can take it one of them as common. 5 by 4, you can take it one common, and then you 7 plus 9, you just plus together the exponent, the two exponent. If it is multiply, you just plus together the exponent. Then how much you'll get? 5 by 4, 7 plus 9 is 16. So this is called exponential notation. 7 plus 9 is 16. So this is called exponential notation. The question is already expressed in exponential notation. I hope you clear. Question number 7, B and C, you can do it by applying the same method. So now let's see question number 8. Question number 8, simplified and express the result in exponential notation. Here question number 8 also we can do it by applying the same method. So here you just take it one common, 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7, they are equal, so you can take it one common. So here question number 8a, we have here division, so we have to do minus 7 minus 2, then how much you'll get? 3 by 7, 7 minus 2 is 5. So here this is the answer. The answer has been expressed in exponential notation. Now let's see question number 10. The question is express each of the following rational number with a positive exponent. So we have to express the given rational number with positive exponent. So this is an exponent, we have negative exponent here, so we have to convert it into positive exponent. So how do we convert? This is equal to 7 by 3 4. This is because here a by b minus n, this is equal to b by a bracket n. So here we got this one from this formula. A by b is a rational number of any number, and this is a negative exponent, and this is how we convert it into rational number with positive exponent. Now let's see question number F. Question number 10F. How do we express the given coefficient into positive exponent? Here 6 to the power minus 1 and 2 to the power minus 1, and here bracket negative exponent. So here how do we convert this? 6 minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 6 into 1. This is because here a to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by a n. So here, and again 2 to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. So here we got it, 1 by 6 into 1 is 6 only, divided by 2, 1 by 2, this is 2 into 1 is 2 only. So here bracket minus 2, this is the exponent. Here 1 by 6, you convert it into multiply, then here 2 by 1. So now here you can cut 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. We have here minus 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Continuing. So here 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 only, minus 2, this is equal to, you multiply 3 into 1 is 3, and 1 to 1 is 1 only, minus 2, this is equal to, you express this one into positive exponent, then 3 by 1 to the power 2, this is equal to 9 by 1. So 9 divided by 1 is 9 only. This is the answer. Let's see question number 11. Question number 11a, minus 5 by 7 brackets, and the exponent is 0. So here what you need to know is any rational number with exponent 0, this will be equal to 1. So question number 11a answer is only 1. Now let's see question number 12, number B. So here simplify, this is simplified. So here 2 to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 2. How I got 1 by 2? Because of this one, I have already told you earlier, a to the power minus n, this n is any number, n to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by a into n. So the number is multiplied by the power. So here 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. This power is multiplied to the number. Then we got 1 by 2 into 1 is 2 only. So here I got 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 to the power minus 1. This is exponent. Exponent is negative. So after doing this, you just take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of these 2, 3, and 4, we got 12. So after taking LCM, you can just simplify it. 2 into 6 is 12, so I put here 1 into 6. 3 into 4 is 12, so I put here 1 into 4. And then 4 into 3 is 12, so I put here 1 into 3. So after this, you can just simplify it. You plus this 3 together, When you plus these 3 together, you'll get 13 by 12. And now you have to convert it into positive exponent, so the denominator will come up and numerator will go down, then this negative exponent will turn into positive exponent. So this is the answer. Now let's see question number 14. The question is, by what number should 4 by 3 be multiplied so that the product become 2 by 9? So we do not know the number by what number it should be multiplied, so we have to take it as x as number to be multiplied. So here the question says that by what number should we multiply. So let's x be the number to be multiplied, then the equation goes like this: x into 4 by 3 minus exponents minus to the power minus 3, this is equal to 2 by 9. The question says that the products become 2 by 9. So this is a number, we don't know the number, but just multiply x into 4 by 3 to the power minus 3, this is equal to 2 by 9. So here we have negative exponent here, so we have to convert it into positive exponent first. So this 3 will come off and 4 will go down, then you just exchange this, then this negative exponent will be now positive. So after that you multiply it 3 times 4, 3 times. How much you'll get? 3 into 3 into 3, you'll get how much? 3 1 3 3 3 9 9 3 is 27. Likewise 4 into 4 into 4, how much you'll get? 4 4 16 16 into 4 is 64. So we got it 27 by 64. So after this you just transfer this 27 by 64 to the other side, to the right hand side, then this will be x is equal to 2 by 9 into 64 by 27. So x is equal to, you just multiply this 2, multiply this 2, you got x value 128 by 243. Let's see question number 18. The question is, find the value of m. So the question asks to find out the value of this m. So how do we find out the value of n? So first of all, you just check it out, this number, the rational number 2 by 3, 2 by 3, they are equal, but the exponent is different, and we have here multiply. I have already told you before, you can take one common, in this case 3, and plus, if it is multiply, you plus the exponent together. 8 plus 5, this is equal to minus 2 by 3. The exponent is 3m plus 1. So here you plus this exponent together, then how much you'll get? Continue. 2 by 3, how much? 8, 13, 8 plus 5 is 13, this is equal to minus 2 by 3. So we got it like this, the exponent. And now you can compare the number again here. Minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, they are equal again. But now when you compare the exponent, it is different now. So to find out the exponent, we have to, since these two both the sides are already equal, we can just leave it this part. And now here, to find out m, we have to compare the exponent again here. So here 3m plus 1, this is equal to 13. So here 3m equal to 13 minus 1. You transfer this one this side, then it will become minus. And this is equal to 3m equal to how much? 12. 13 minus 1 is 12. So here I'll go down here again. m equal to 12 by 3. How much? 3 4 12. Then m is equal to 4. We got 4. So this is the answer. Now let's see chapter 3. You open up chapter 3. Let's all see together. Square and square root. So before we go to exercise, let us see what is square and what is square root. I will give you example. 4 is the square of what number? 4 is the square of what number? We can say 2 into 2 equal to 4. So now here 4 is the square of 2 and 2 is the square root of 4. I hope you clear. Same as 2, we can do it 6 is equal to, sorry, not 6, it is 16. 16 is the square of what number? Let's see, 4 into 4. So this is equal to 4 square. 4 is 16. So here 16 is the square number of 4 and this 4 is the square root of 16. I hope you clear that. So now let's see again, let's see perfect square. I will show you what is perfect square by example. I will show you example. So here you can just check it out, like 16. Is this 16 a perfect square or it is not perfect square? How do we find out whether the given number is perfect square or not perfect square? How do we find out? We can find it out by factorize the given number. You just factorize 16. So here we can find it out by factorize the number 2 is 16 here, 2 4 8, 2 2 4 and 2 1 is 2. So here we have two equal pair here. They are exactly paired. That means this 16 is a perfect square. Let's see one more example here. 6. Is this 6 is a perfect square or not? 2 3 6 and 3 into 1 is 3. So they are different, they are not equal pair, so that means this 6 is not a perfect square. So to find out any given number whether it is perfect square or not, you can just factorize it and you can find it out. Now let's see question number 8. Exercise 3a, question number 8. Question number 8a is given 13, and the question is find the square of each of the following number. You are asked to find the square of this 13. So that means this 13 is a square root of a number. We don't know the number, but after finding out the square of this 13 we will get to know. So how to find out the square of 13? 13 square, this is equal to 13 into 13 is how much? 169. So this is the square of 13, and the square root of 169 is 13. So this is the answer, and then you can try it out. The other question, A is done, B, C, D, E. You can try it out. Now let's see question number 11. Number A is given 7 to 9, and the question is using the prime factorization method find which of the following are perfect square. So let us see whether this 7 to 9 is a perfect square or no by performing or by applying prime factorization method. So 7 to 9 we have to factorize, and then we have to check it out whether this one is perfect square or not. So here 3 we can do by 3. 3 1 3, 3 2 is 6, 1 hand, 3 4 12, and then 3 3 is 9, 3 9, and then here we can do again by 3. 3 8 is 24, and 3 1 is 3, and again we can do here by 9. 9 is 81, and here 9 into 1 is 9. So they have they can be expressed into pair of equal factor. They have a pair of equal factor 3 3 9 9. So that means this 7 to 9 is a perfect square. Now let's see again question number D, 9900, whether this number is perfect square or not. Let's see by performing prime factorization method. 339 339 300, and again here 313 300, and here in the next step we can do by 2 2 1 2 2 2 5 10, 1 hand, and again here 2 5 10, so 0. Here we can do again by 2 2 2 4, 1 hand, then this becomes 15, then 2 7 14, 1 hand, 2 5 is 10, we got 2 7 5, and again here we can do it by 5 5 5 25 26 27, 2 hand, then this becomes 25, then 5 5 25 again. So here you can do again by 5 5 1 is 5 5 1 is 5, 11. So now we get here 11, we get here 11, so 11 1 is 11. So now let's pair 3 3 2 2 and 5 5, and 11 is the remaining one. So this 9900 doesn't have doesn't have pair of equal factors. It doesn't have pair of equal factors. Since this 11 is left out, this one is not a perfect square. So we can find it out the other question by using the same method. Now let's see question number 17. So before we go to the exercise, you just have to remember this one. 2m, this is 2m, and then this is m square minus 1, and this one is m square plus 1. So this 3, then this is called Pythagorean triplet. This is called Pythagorean triplets. So by using this formula, you will find out the other members of Pythagorean triplets. So here, question number 17, number A is given 4. The first member of Pythagorean triplet is given 4. You have to find out the other two members. You have to find out the other two members by using this formula. Number A is given 4. So this is the first member of Pythagorean triplet, and then the remaining two we have to find out. So here we can say let 2m equal to 4. If 2m is equal to 4, that means this m will be, surely this m is equal to 2. Yes or no? This is why, because 2 into 2, this is 4. So 2m is equal to 4. Then you apply this one now, m square minus 1, and this is equal to 2 square minus 1. That means we know that this m is equal to 2, so 2 square minus 1, 2 is 4 minus 1, and this is equal to 3. Same as this one, you apply this one again here, m square plus 1, this is equal to 2 square plus 1, this is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. I hope you clear. So this is answer 5 and 3. These are two other members of given Pythagorean triplets. Now let's see question number B, 6. The first number of Pythagorean triplet is given 6 here. So the same method we can apply. Let 2m equal to 6. If 2m is equal to 6, then that means definitely this m is equal to 3, because here you see 2 3 is 6, so m is equal to 3. So we got m is equal to 3. So now here you apply this 2 again, same, m square, m square minus 1, this is equal to 3 square minus 1, this is equal to 3 is 9, minus 1, this is equal to 8. Same here, m square plus 1 is same, 3 square plus 1 equal to 9 plus 1, this is equal to 10. So the other two member of given Pythagorean triplet is 10 and 8. I hope you clear. Now let's say exercise 3b. You open up the book, exercise 3b, page number 69. So here question number 1 2 3. Question number 1 2 3 is a multiple choice question, so I will not go for explanation here. Now let's go to question number 4. Number 4, the question is find the square root of each of the following number numbers by the method of prime factorization method. So this is the square number. This is a number. So we have to find out the square root of this square number of this number. So how do we find out? The question is asked to find out by using prime factorization method. So I hope you know this prime factorization method. We have already done before. So this is prime factorization method. So here we can do it 9. Sorry, the question is 196. Factorize 2918 one hand, 2816, 248 one hand, 2918, 49 we got, and here 7 is 49. So 7 1 is 7. So square root of 196 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 holding square, square root. So here this is equal to, you take 1 common here, 2 into 7, so you multiply 2 7 is 14. So 14 is the square root of 196. I hope it's clear. You just apply the same method to the other question also, and then you can try it out the other question. So now let's see question number 5. I will read the question. Find the smallest number by which 396 must be multiplied so that the product become a perfect square. So by what number should we should we multiply this 396, then the product will become a perfect square. So we do not know by what number we are going to multiply to this 396 so that the product will become perfect square. So to find out the number, we will just factorize the number. You just factorize the number. Let's see here, 396. You just factorize. 313, 339, 326. 313, 3412, one hand, and 3412. Here we can do by 224, 224, and again here 212, 212, 11. So here 11 1 is 11. 396 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 11. So you pair it. Which one is the remaining one? 11 is left. 11 left unpaired. So here you multiply by 11. The number is 11. Hence 11 is the required number. You multiply this 396 by 11, then the product will become perfect square. Question number 6, 7, you apply the same method. You factorize the number, and the unpaired number will be the required number. Now let's see question number 8. I will read the question. 2304 students are sitting in an auditorium in such a manner that there are as many students in a row as there are row in the auditorium. How many rows are there in the auditorium? So here we will do like this. Let the number of students in each row be x. We know the total number of students is 2304, but then we do not know the number of students in a row, in each row. How many students are sitting in each row, we do know. Thus we know only the total number of students. So we have to take it, this x, as the number of students in each row. Same, the number of row also we do not know, and the question is asked to find out the number of row. So we will take it this x as the number of row. Then total number of students is equal to number of students in each row and the number of row. This is equal to x into x, number of students in each row and the number of row, x into x, this is equal to x square. Then the equation is like this. Therefore the equation will be x square is equal to 2304. This is the total number of students. So now here x is equal to this square, you just transfer this side, then this will become, this 2304 will hold a square now. Then after that we have to factorize this number. Then when we factorize the number, we get like this. After pairing, this is a perfect square, so you take one command from here and one command from here, one command from here again, and then from here one command, and from here one command. Then how much you got? You multiply all this. When you multiply these numbers, you got 48. So x equal to 48. So that means the number of row is 48, and then the number of students in each row is 48. Since this x is the number of students in each row, and then x is also a number of row, that means there are 48 students in each row and there are 48 rows in the auditoriums. I hope you clear. Now let's see question number 10. Question is, find the side of a field if its area is 2116 meters square. So we do not know the side of a field. The question is asked to find out the side of a field. That means that the area of the square field is given 2116 square meters square. This is the area of a square field. Then we do not know the side of the field, so we have to do it like this. Let the side of the field be x. So here x, now x is the side of the field. So I hope you understand, I hope you know that area of square is equal to side square. Side square I have written here. Area of square equal to side square here. This is side square and this is the area of square. So here side square means x square here, see, since this x is the side of the field, so side square is equal to area of the square. Then x equal to, you just transfer the square to the other side. Then after that you just factorize this number, and when you factorize you got a number like this. This is a perfect square. So x is equal to 2 into 23, you got 46 meter. So side of the given square field is 46 meter. Now let's see question number 15, last question. The product of two numbers is 1575 and their quotient is 7 by 9. Find the numbers. We don't know the numbers, only the product is given. So what is the product? So you see 3 into 6 is 18. So two numbers multiply, we got the answer. This is the product. So same as like this, there is two number. That two number multiply, we got the product, this one, but we do not know the number. What number we multiply, then you will get the product, this one like this. We do not know the number, so here we have to do this. Let the number be A and B. Then when this A and B multiply, we got the product like this, 1575. Here B equal to, you just multiply A that side, then B equal to 1575 by A. So this is the equation now. So here in the next step, the quotient is given 9 by 7. That means we divide a number by any number, then we will get the quotient, right? So likewise, you just see like this, 2 is 4. So 4 divided by 2, we got quotient like this. So same as when this A and B divides, we got the quotient 9 by 7. This 9 by 7 is given in the question. So A by B, this is equal to 9 by 7. The next step, you just substitute the value of B here. Substitute the value of B here, A by B. So B equal to 1575 by A. So in the next step, A square 1575. So how do we got A square by 1575? Here, just look at here, A divided by B. So A divided by B. B is 1575 by A. This is equal to B. So A divided by B. Now in this, you can do this, A into A by 1575. Assume that you have 1 here. Then multiply. A into A is A square by 1575 into 1 is 1575. So this is how we got A square by 1575. So in the next step, you can do like this. You just cross multiply these two. That also you'll get the same answer. But then I didn't cross multiply here, but I just transfer this one to the other side. So I transfer this one to the other side, then it's become multiply here 1575. So you can cut this one by 7. 7 to 5 equal 7 to 5 is 1575. So you can cut like this. Now in the next step, A square equal to 2025. 9 multiplied by 225, you'll get 2025. So here this square you have to transfer to the other side, then this number will hold a square root now. So since this number is holding a square root, we have to find out the square root of this number, then that will be the value of A. So the square root, to find out the square root of this one, we have to factorize this number. So 1 factorize, this is the number we got. So here you take one command, take one command, take one command, then you get 335. Multiply, you got 45. A equal to 45. So B equal to, you replace the value of A here, A 45, A equal to 45, so this is 45, and B equal to 1575 divided by 45 is 35. So the two numbers are 45 and 35. I hope you understand. So this is the answer, and this is the end of the class. Thank you.